Hello everyone, hope you are all safe and fine at home. Okay, so last class we studied grammar part, sentence. What is a sentence? What are the different kinds? That all we studied last class. Today we are going to see what are question tags. Children, have you heard about this word question tags before? No? No problem. We will teach you. Okay? So question tags. What are question tags? What are the rules to be followed before using the question tag? All these things we are going to see today. Okay? So let's move. So first I am going to say the rules and later we will go into deep. Okay? Okay. So question tag. First we want to see the definition of question tag. What is a question tag? What is a question tag? Question tags. You can see question tags. It is a short questions. Okay, it's a short questions which is coming at the end of the statement. Okay, so it is a short questions coming at the end of the statement. And how it will be? It will be of two words. Okay, it will be of two words and it will be having an auxiliary plus pronoun. Okay, so it will be having an auxiliary and pronoun. It is two words. Okay, so we will see what and all things. And next point we want to keep it in mind is that if the sentence is in positive, if the statement is positive, the tag coming will be negative. Okay, the tag joining with it will be negative. It will also be the vice versa. That is, if the sentence is in negative, the tag will be positive. Okay, so if the sentence is in positive statement, negative tag will join. If the sentence is in negative, then positive tag will join. Okay, so we'll move to the next rule, that is no change in tense. Tense will not change. If the sentence is in present tense, tag will also be in present tense. If the sentence is in past tense, tag will also be in past tense. If it is in future tense, it will be future tense. Understood? So there is no change in tense when we are converting it into question tag. Okay. Next to see, auxiliary verbs are used. So auxiliary verbs are used means which are all are auxiliary verbs? Is, are, am, all these things, isn't it? So these auxiliary verbs are if there is no auxiliary verbs, what we will do? Okay, you should not get panicked that there is no is or am or there. Okay, so we have to use do, does and did according to the sentence. Okay, so we have to use do, does and did according to the sentence. So auxiliary verbs are not used, so you have to use do, does and did. Next point, see imperative sentence. Imperative sentence already we studied in the last class, isn't it? What are imperative sentence? Imperative sentences are sentences which we use to give command, request, isn't it? Advice and all. So that sentences are imperative sentence. In that we will be using will you or want you. Okay. And last it is let us. If the sentence is starting with the let us, we can use shall we. Okay. So children, these are the rules. You have to keep it in mind. I know you will not be getting anything by these rules. By simply telling the rules you will not be getting. But when I show you the examples, you will be knowing it. Okay. So first what we learned, first rule. Yes, it is short questions at the end of the statement. Isn't it? And it will be of two words. Joining it will be auxiliary plus pronoun. Isn't it? Let's see one example. So children, based on the conditions, we are going to see some examples. Okay. So example, first one, I'm going to show it is, he is an actor. Okay. So what points we studied already? We studied that, what are short question tags? It is a short questions. It will be coming at the end of the statement. And it will be of two words, that is auxiliary plus pronoun. So see this example. He is an actor. Okay. He is an actor. Isn't he? So he is an actor. That is we took here. That auxiliary we took here. Int. Not. Okay, int is a short form of not. Is not he. Okay, that is isn't he. And he is a pronoun we took here. Okay, same subject we took here. Okay. Suppose if instead of he we have given Ramu or Raju or any name. Okay. Raju is an actor or Ramu is an actor. If that also here he will come. Okay, according to the gender, the pronoun will be come. So if at all there is a name also, we have to use a pronoun here. Okay, so he is an actor. This is in positive statement. So what we have to use? Negative tag. Okay, that one point we learned there. So positive statement, negative tag should come. So suppose if it is negative statement, what will we do? That also we can see one example. Negative statement. She is not clever. She is not clever. Is she? Okay. She is not clever. Is she? So here it is negative statement. So positive tag joined. Okay. So always after the sentence put a comma and afterwards you want to write is she question mark. This is very, very necessary. This question mark is very necessary. So she is not clever. Is she? Okay. So that same thing, same auxiliary we took here and she pronoun here. Here also, if it is name or if it is any other name like Leela, Geeta or anyone, we have to take this pronoun, she. Okay. So suppose if the sentence is starting with am. Okay. The sentence is starting with am. What will we do? I am beautiful. Okay. I am beautiful. Aren't I? Okay. I am beautiful. Aren't I? I am beautiful, we cannot say that I am not I. We can use are instead of that. Are not I, aren't I. Okay, this is a positive statement, we got negative tag. Okay, if it is negative statement, I am not hungry. Okay, I am not hungry. Am I? Okay, we have to use the same auxiliary verb here and I as a pronoun. Okay, so aren't I for positive statement, am I for the negative statement. Okay children, so let's see the next one. Present tense itself, tag will come, positive tense itself it will come. Okay, so there is no past tense, no past tense will come, future tense will come. Next thing, auxiliary verbs are used. Already I told you that is or am or are is used in the sentence. Instead, if you do not find that, what will you do? For example, look at this sentence. He likes coffee. Okay, he likes coffee. Doesn't he? How we got doesn't he here? Because here we cannot see or any is or am or are or there here, isn't it? He likes coffee it is. Like is a verb there, isn't it? He likes coffee, like is a verb. And it is a simple present tense that we can understand because likes, isn't it? He is singular, likes coffee. So, if there is no is or am there in the sentence, what we have to use? We have to use another helping verb, that is do verbs. Okay, what is that? Do verbs. If it is singular, do will become does. That we already learned, isn't it? So, that do verbs will come here. As the subject is singular, it becomes does. And we already studied that statement that if the positive statement, negative should come, isn't it? So, negative came here. Does not he. That's it is doesn't he. Okay, children, you got it. So, he likes coffee. Doesn't he? Doesn't he like coffee? Okay, so that is a answer coming. Now see, if the negative statement is coming, he doesn't like coffee. Does he? Okay, he doesn't like coffee. Does he? If it is in the present tense. If suppose if past tense it is given. Okay, another example I will show you. If past tense, if the verb is given in past tense, they went early. Okay, they went early. Here also we cannot see any is or am or are there. Okay, so what will you do? We take the do verbs. So past tense of do is did. Okay, so they went early, didn't they? Okay, they went early, didn't they? Here also positive statement. So negative tag is joining. Did not they is didn't they. Okay children. We like ice cream. Okay, we like ice cream. Here also no is or am that. So do we. Okay, because it is plural. Subject here is plural. So do we. Okay, so these are the things we have to keep it in mind if there is no auxiliary verbs like is or am or are. Okay, so that is one point. Next point we can see that if it is imperative sentence. Okay, if it is imperative sentence, I already told you if it is a command or request or anything. Okay, for example, look at this sentence. Stop making noise. Okay, stop making noise. There we have to use will you. Why you know? Because here in the sentence it's a stop making noise. Some negative touch is coming. Okay, some negative meaning is coming. So we are using will you. But at the same time, drive slowly. Okay, when we are asking somebody to drive slowly, it is in positive way we are telling. A comment. Okay, drive slowly. There we can use want you. Did you understand the difference here? Here stop making noise. Okay, that itself is giving a negative command. So we are using will you. Okay, drive slowly. Here positive command we are giving. So want you. Even if this is positive command, we have to use even if it is positive, that is stop making noise. Okay, as a teacher we are asking the children to stop making noise. Okay, so here some negative touch is coming, that is why will you. Okay, this is a positive command actually, but negative touch is coming, that is why will you. Okay, here drive slowly is a positive command, so want you. Okay, so positive coming, negative tag you have to use. Here also it is positive tag, but you have to use will. Okay, clear. So next last point we are going to discuss it is let us. If the sentence is starting with let us. For example, before that, as I already told you, in imperative sentence, if the statement is positive, we have to use negative tag. But if the sentence is starting, in the imperative sentence is starting with don't. Okay, do not, don't. If such type of sentence are starting, we have to use will you itself. Okay, if you find that negative touch or negative sentence like don't go outside, don't spit here, or this type of things, you have to use will you as a question tag. If you see the negative comment, you have to use will you. Okay, and we are going to the next last point, that is let us. That is let us means if a sentence is starting with let us, we have to use shall we. Okay, what all sentences which are starting with let us go for a walk, let us go and play, let us enjoy, let us read this lesson, all these things we can use shall we as the tag. Okay, clear? Dear children, so let us enjoy, so we have used here shall we. So children, always keep it in mind that when we are using question tags, we have to use these points in mind. Okay, before using the question tag, we have to use all these points in mind. Then only you have to use the correct question tag. That is, it is like short questions. It is used at the end of the statement. It is two words, that is auxiliary plus pronoun. Even if it is name, subject is given as a name also, we have to use pronoun. Then positive statement, negative tag will come. Negative statement, positive tag will join. Then no change in tense. Tense will not change. Auxiliary verbs are used. If is or am are not there, we will replace it with the do verbs. Okay. Imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, if negative touch is coming, we have to use will you. Positive statement, we have to use want you. Let us. If the sentence is starting with the let us, we have to use shall we. Okay children, I hope it is clear to you. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye.